celebrating Vikings being beautiful, elegant, durable, and pure.
Happy birthday, Vikings!
Kung sinong pinakamaingay na group, sila ang magsa-champion!
If you talking and talk to me nice, I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right, I'm champion.
Mabuhay! Happy anniversary, Vikings!
Vikings started 2011. Dumadami tayo, buong Pilipinas. Pero hindi to mangyayari kung wala kayo. Palang sinabi ni Sonino sa akin, hindi kayo bukhang Vikings group eh. Hindi kayo bukhang isang company eh. Hindi kayo corporate eh. Ang tawag natin dito pang family eh. Parang kayong pamilya eh. Parang kayong magkapatid eh. So ganun tayo. Sana tuloy-tuloy natin yung ganyan relationship. All throughout the years at tuloy-tuloy yun. Salamat talaga sa inyo. Salamat, salamat, salamat.
Isang maganda at makulay na gabi po sa ating lahat. On behalf of management, it is my honor and pleasure to welcome all of you to our 40th anniversary celebration.
Let the party begin!
Happy 14th anniversary, Vikings!
We want to showcase our Filipino culinary arts. So hopefully, with the help of everyone, we can promote this kind of culture around the Philippines. So ganun tayo. Lumalaki ang Vikings family natin. Kailangan natin spread out. Happy anniversary. Thank you everyone. Let's start the party.
Happy 14th anniversary, Vikings!
When you visited me in the hospital, sabi mo sa akin, Sir, lumaban ka. Kaya nandito ako, lalaban ako hanggang dulo. Lalaban tayong Vikings family hanggang dulo. Mabuhay ang Vikings Warrior! Mabuhay ang Pilipino!